Welcome to White Bear Lake Mitsubishi, St. Paul's newest Mitsubishi retailer and White Bear Lake's only Motor Trend certified Advantage dealer. We're a proud member of the St. Paul Autos family that sold over 90,000 cars since 1990. Here's the vehicle for you. Whether you're looking for a vehicle that's safe enough to drive your family, roomy enough to drive your clients, or sporty enough to drive yourself, the 2010 Galant is the sound choice for everyone involved. Loaded with premium features that the competitors charge extra for. With an available 3.8-liter V6 and Sportronic 5-speed transmission, the Galant is one sedan that makes compromises to no one. And 27 miles per gallon eases the trip to the pump. Prepare to have your senses rocked with a mind-blowing 360-watt Rockford sound system, standard power sunroof, heated 8-way adjustable seats. There's no part of you who won't appreciate the fantastic ride. If you're looking for a sedan that delivers a high level of safety as well as performance, look no further. The Galant offers ABS, dual-stage front, side, and rear curtain airbags, along with our comprehensive warranties that are among the best in the industry. The 2010 Mitsubishi Galant. Easy on the eyes, easier on the wallet. At White Bear Lake Mitsubishi, you'll find the vehicle you're looking for at a price that's right. We offer a tremendous selection of new Mitsubishis and top-quality pre-owns. And don't forget about our exceptional service facilities. The new White Bear Lake Mitsubishi. Stop in and experience the difference today. We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota. White Bear Lake Mitsubishi. Better people, great cars, fantastic service.